In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to use Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy A37 to transfer files with the AirDrop on iPhone. So in order to check that, first of all, we're gonna go to Gallery, let's say, and I'm gonna choose a random photo. And of course, now we just want to share it. And then over here, we want to go to the Quick Share. So now in theory, we should be able to find iPhone over here on this list of devices nearby. But to make sure that our iPhone is detectable, what we need to do is first we need to make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled, of course, on our iPhone. And then we also need to make sure that the AirDrop is set to everyone for 10 minutes. So these are all the steps necessary to make sure that AirDrop can be connected with the Quick Share on an Android smartphone. But in this case, it seems that Galaxy A37 is not really capable of connecting with AirDrop. It seems that you cannot really do so. You cannot really share files with Quick Share and with AirDrop. At least right now. Of course, if you're watching this video in the future, maybe there was an update for Quick Share that now allows Galaxy A37 to connect with AirDrop. What you can do, however, is you can generate a QR code or link, which we can scan on our iPhone. So if I tap on QR code or link, then over here I have the link and I have the QR code. So let me just quickly scan the QR code. It should work without any issues whatsoever. There we go. Then we should be able to open the browser and we should be able to find our file that we want to share with on our iPhone. And we can easily download that file. So while it is not possible to make a direct connection, at least we can use the QR code to access that file and download it on our iPhone. Leave a like and subscribe.